Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Bitget wallet account. Let's get started. First, open the Bitget app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Next, tap the profile icon or the menu icon located at the top of the screen. From your profile page or the menu icon, scroll down until you find Delete Account option. Tap on it. Before you tap on the Delete Account option, just make sure that you have backed up all the data, because once the button has been clicked, your all data will be cleared. Next, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Review the information, and if you are sure, tap Confirm to permanently delete your account. And that's it. Your Bitget wallet account has been deleted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.